Hey guys, it's MarcusR632S. I didn't make a video in a long time, so I'm making a new video right now. And I got to 6, and yeah. So that's why I decided to make a video today. Yeah. So here's what we're gonna do. I have my electroscope right here. It's loaded. Let's shoot. So this is what I'm gonna do. I have this bubble bottle, and I'm just gonna shoot it, but I still use the bubbles. Wait, I'm using slippers, so I see the image. Okay. And shoot. So this is not 2.7 ounces yet, but you could tell it's already a lot. It holds more than the Nerf Super Soaker called the Microburst. So yeah, so the Microburst could only shoot like about this much. Could only shoot about that much. Well, this gun could shoot more because it holds worth 2.7 ounces. So bye guys, and see you later.